Hi, my name is Louis. Today I'm going to share with you how should you manage your money. Now we see many people that actually been struggle how they actually can manage their money, and some people can even spend more than what they earn. Number one, you must start to track your finance. You must know where is your money coming from and where is your money going to. And this is how you are going to identify what is the best options for your money to spend to. Number two, figure out what habit drain your budget. Now, once you have the list on the expenses and income, you must identify what is the habit that actually drain your budget. You could have a very expensive hobby, or you spend luxury dinner, or you buy some of the stuff which is not necessary. Once you have a list, you must take out the unnecessary habit which is going to drain your budget. Number three, don't use credit card unless you can pay off by end of the month. Now, a lot of people, because of their habit, they want to enjoy first, then only pay later, and they will use credit card. And all the credit card actually come with high interest rate. If you know that you cannot pay off at the month end, you should not use the credit card, because all this interest rate is going to get higher and is going to drain your debt even higher. Lastly, investing early. Stop spending money. It doesn't mean that you are spending unnecessary purchase. Now, as long as this money that you spend is actually for investment to reach to your financial goal, and this is wise to do it. And you should bear in mind, this should start it earlier. Now, as long as this money that you spend is going to generate a more passive income to you, or more other income to you, or even upgrade your knowledge, improve your knowledge, and this is also worthwhile to spend it. Always remember, putting your money into the great elements to improve your quality of your future in terms of financial goal, in terms of your knowledge. This is wise to spend. I hope the video is going to help you. If you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. And see you again. Bye.